Assalamu alaikum dear students. In today's video we are going to discuss about adverb of degree. So you know that adverb of degree is a type of adverb. It has its own usage in English language, in English grammar. So let's start. What is adverb of degree? Before that, I would like to request you that if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's start. What are adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree tell us to what extent something happens or is the case. They usually answer the questions like how much, to what degree, or to what extent. These are the questions. When we answer to these questions, we are using adverb of degree. Okay, we will see in the example. Common examples of adverbs of degree. Here are some commonly used adverbs of degree. We have seen while speaking our language, we have used very, to, enough, extremely, almost, quite, hardly, completely, partially. All these are adverbs of degree. There are some more adverbs of degree. We will discuss in today's video all these adverbs. Usage of adverbs of degree. Let's look at how these adverbs function in different sentences. Modifying an adjective. Example: the movie was very interesting. The explanation: the adverb very modifies in this sentence. Very is adverb. This modifies adjective. Interesting. You know that interesting is adjective. You know that. So interesting is modified by the adverb very. And very is here adverb of degree, which tells us about how much the adverb, how much this thing is interesting. The movie is interesting. Modifying a verb. Example: she completely understood the lesson. In the explanation, the adverb completely modifies the verb understood, indicating the degree of understanding. Degree is understanding. What is the degree of understanding? So it is extremely or completely. So here it is completely. Completely is adverb of degree, means fully. Modifying another adverb. Example: he ran too quickly. Explanation: the adverb to modifies the adverb quickly, showing to what extent he ran quickly. What extent he ran quickly. Okay. Placement of adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree generally come before the adjective, verb, or adverb. They are modifying. However, some adverbs like enough follow the adjective or adverb before the adjective. Example: she is extremely talented. Talent is adjective, it comes before adjective. Talented is adverb of degree and it comes before talented. Talented is adjective. B. Before the verb. Example: they hardly spoke during the meeting. Hardly is adverb of degree, spoke is verb and it comes before spoke, after the adjective. Example: the room isn't big enough. It comes in the end here, after adjective. After adjective it comes. Degrees of comparison. Now here are degrees of comparison. Adverb of degree can sometimes be confused with the degrees of comparison used in adjective, but remember they focus on intensity, while adjective of degree is comparison, like positive, comparative, and superlative. Compare things. Example: positive: this copy is quite hot. Comparative: this copy is too hot for me uh, compared to another one. Negative degrees of adverb means negative adverb of degree. Some adverb of degree indicates a negative or low intensity, like hardly, barely, scarcely. Example: now one example: he could hardly see through the fog. This is one example. Key takeaways. Adverb of degree modify verb, adjectives, or other adverbs, showing how much or to what extent something happens. They are commonly placed before adjectives, verbs, or adverbs, but exceptions like enough come after the word they modify. Understanding the intensity of degree is key to proper usage. So this was today's lecture. I hope that you people have understood. If there is anything difficult you have understood, please you can contact me via a WhatsApp number, or you can contact through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.